this is a fruit bowl, believe it or not, and this is me trying to show off that it has one more dimension than being a big flat disc. So there you have it, fruit bowl. It probably sat around in my house for a good 2 or 3 years before I finally decided that I was going to paint it. And here you can see me painting a black and white theme,
spiraling wildly from the centre of the fruit bowl.
And then I added some black squares to the white spiral to make it into ta-da, a black and white spiral. From here on out, I think the whole video gets a bit nauseating because I had to keep spinning the bowl round to get a good angle on painting it. So it's got quite a wild effect when combined with the time-lapse speed. So enjoy your trip, I guess. And speaking of trips, it's excuse time. I went on 2 trips, holidays, vacations, whatever you call it, and I got a new job, which is why I haven't posted another video since the last one, even though I was like, ooh, I haven't got a job now, I'm gonna make more videos. Well, that didn't happen, but here's a spiral on a fruit bowl to make up for it, and I'm sorry, please forgive me. Very sorry, I'll try harder next time, sorry. So it looks like the spiral is completed now, and we're on to the more decorative sprigs section of the video. This is also when the most spinning occurs, so enjoy that. I left a lot of spinning in just to capture the horrific reality of the situation, and I guess the reality is spinning, just spinning. I used a paintbrush that was flat on one edge, on its only edge, so it was the best way to get neat lines. I feel like I should probably script this before I start speaking because it's just nonsense, isn't it? But there we go. And also I'm sorry if you can hear bleeping because there is some heavy construction going on in the background. Not in this room, but in the background of the house. I don't know what I'm talking about. Here are some leaves for the fruit bowl, and I added these for a little bit of colour and a little bit of contrast with the black and white, but my big fat head was in the way, so I didn't actually manage to capture the moment when I added veins to the leaves, so you just get the painting them green part and have to trust that I didn't get a stooge in to paint the leaves for me. So yeah, and this is it finished and how it turned out, so thanks for sticking around and watching. If you wanted to see more, you could always subscribe, or not, up to you. And I also have Instagram and a shop which I'll link below if you happen to be interested.
Here are a few more artsy shots for your consumption. Ooh, artsy. Ooh, look at those leaves. Close up leaves.